flying, you're walking, we're going somewhere, we're in between. Your daylight, I'm nighttime, we're twilight, we're losing sense of time. This fire inside me, it lights me, building up candles.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do a very soft and easy traditional look which you can carry to your office, which you can carry to any traditional program as well. So let's begin. The first step is foundations. Well, I already prepped my skin and I applied a primer, silicone based primer. Now for the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundations. If you are dry skin type, go for a dewy foundation. You can use Nika Skin Shield foundation, also L'Oreal Paris dewy foundation as well. I am the dry to combination skin type, that's why I'm using matte. If you are not, then you can skip this. I think I need little more coverage, that's why I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I will mention all the shade number and price in description below. Don't forget to check this out. To set my under eyes, I'm using this clear banana powder. I'm not really a very contouring fan. I don't like to cut my face very harshly, that's why I'm using a powder bronzer which is from Sugar Cosmetics. To add the color on my cheeks, I'm using a blush from Sugar Cosmetics. Now for the ultimate glow, I'm using Sugar Highlighter. I generally love to keep my brows very natural. I don't like to create very dramatic eyebrow. That's why I'm using a satin brow powder and Nika brow pencil. I'm using Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I will use this peach color as my transition shade on my lid and also use this brown shade on my crease. Generally, I'm not really a very big kajal wearer, just for the humidity. But today I will use a Maybelline gel liner. This is not a kajal, but I use it as a kajal. To draw my line, I'm using Maybelline pencil liner. I'm not basically a very big fan of wing liner. That's why I like to keep my eyes very minimal. For the mascara, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This does not really add any volume to your lashes, but it separates your lashes very well. Now lastly for the lip, I'm using Miss Clear Liquid Lipstick. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.